please expect to be more than what we intended to communicate to the people of KwaZulu-Natal. Well, I must say, not necessarily that we are worried about the factor of the MK, except that we acknowledge their presence in the political landscape with other political parties that have been there for a very long time, which are stable, but the performance of the IFP in the by-elections has been ongoing, showing the strength of the IFP in different communities. And we will be using that strength for the local government elections. Hence, we have started to engage analyzing the political dynamics of the province with the structures of KwaZulu-Natal, which I've said we had a strategy workshop wherein we're analyzing all political parties, analyzing the dynamics politically in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. And for now, we are having hope that the demonstration by the people of KwaZulu-Natal to vote for the IFP in by-elections is a testament to the fact that they still see the IFP as a party they can trust. Well, on the issue of the hiring of the Metro Police complaint, I'm not aware. You see, it's a Tegwini Metro matter, which I'm not aware of for now. Even our councillors have not shared any information if they knew that there was an issue. The only thing which, as the IFP, we are commending is the introduction of the new police in the metro to fight crime, especially during the festive season. And I'm aware that even the SAPS today will be introducing new police. The addition of the human capital in the fight against crime, in fact, is what we commend as the IFP, because we want to see a safer province in order for even investors to be able to invest in the province. Well, regarding the issue of the presidents and the IFP conferences, I don't know where do you where did you take actually that question, Mavuso, for a briefing about the status of the province? It's all about the province. I'm not available for any nomination. What I know, we have the president currently, we have the president, we have the NEC, we have structures of the IFP, and I think I cannot respond more than that. On the matter regarding the MEC for conduct, the complaint by the ANC, you see, some of the things you learn from social media, that there is a concern, and then you engage the ANC, you engage the MEC for COCTA, and I was able to conclude at a time wherein I thought something was being circulated in social media, that there was a problem. I concluded that there was no problem, in particular between the MEC and one of the leaders in the province of KwaZulu-Natal from the ANC. So in my view, I don't think there's much a bigger challenge. I know that from a media briefing they had, they highlighted some of the concerns which were able to sit down and consider them. It's a normal thing, in fact. We are coming from different political parties forming the government of provincial unity. So we have different mandates. So you cannot expect that right on the onset it will be quiet, because even amongst just one political party, you'll find that there will be some issues of discussion and engagements. So I think that is what is normal, and the coalition is strong. We are working quite very well we are achieving what we promised the people of KwaZulu-Natal, I'm satisfied.
Can I check if there are any further hands?
I'm here as the chair of the IFP. But our view is that the police are doing good work in fighting crime. And I think at an improved rate or magnitude, our police in the province of KwaZulu-Natal are doing good work, which we support. And we're of the view that in order to conquer crime in KwaZulu-Natal, we also require every citizen in the province to play its role or to cooperate, like reporting crime, being intolerant to crime in the areas where you reside. So we are happy with the work that is being done. Hence, we're not happy when we see people dying, but it's unfortunate that some criminals, they decide to point guns to the police. So we cannot say police, when they see someone pointing a gun, must run. They must protect themselves. And the 400 illegal foreigners that were arrested, some have been deported, some are in a process, because the deportation is a process actually requires that even the Home Affairs, many stakeholders participate, so they are deported, in fact, those who are actually. We are continuing with the campaign of ensuring that we address the issue of the undocumented foreign nationals in the province of Natal. It's quite a big, unfortunate problem that we have as a province. When I visited Osizweni, I also visited just one factory at Emadadeni. And in one factory, we discovered 220 undocumented foreign nationals being employed. How many factories are around Emabodini or Emadadeni? So how many? You'll have hundreds or more than thousands undocumented foreign or illegal foreign nationals. How many businesses, factories and industries do you have in the province of KwaZulu-Natal? Thousands and thousands of the job opportunities that should have been afforded to the people of this province, they are occupied by the undocumented foreign nationals. Because of some tendencies of certain business people who wants to make more profit at the expense of the opportunities of the people here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So we are addressing that as government, and as IFP, we applaud government of KwaZulu-Natal to actually address that. You remember that it was part of our manifesto. Even the issue of the spaza shops, we were categorical in our manifesto as the IFP. Hence, I think the signs are pointing to the realization of what we promised the people of KwaZulu-Natal. Well, Shane, on the issue of the municipalities that we are targeting, the first important approach as IFP is to keep the municipalities that we are governing by enhancing service delivery, by being responsive. Hence our call even to the councillors to say the work they do for the people must resonate with the aspirations of the people where they actually lead or where they actually serve. And even where we are not governing, it's either we increase the footprint or we gain more municipalities. We don't have one or two municipalities which we are saying we are targeting. We are targeting to serve the people of KwaZulu-Natal across the province of KwaZulu-Natal. When they afford us an opportunity as the IFP, we are ready to deliver good work. We are ready to serve the people of KwaZulu-Natal in all the municipalities.